boys and girls. So today we're going to do a color by number page. And so at the top, there are all of the numbers that you need to color and what color you need to color them. So if you look at the first box, we're going to color all of the 24s and 38s black. So I want you to go through and see how many of those you can find and color them black. So for example, right here, I see that all of these are 24 and 38. And the reason we're doing this is to see a mystery picture, but also to practice our numbers. Make sure you're not coloring that 42 because that's not the same as 24. So we're going to find all the 24s that we can and the 38s and color them black. So I can see some right here along this line and color these ones. There's some right here. See those that go up like that? And we're trying to see what it is that our mystery picture is. So I'm going to color all these down here like this. So I'm seeing that there's kind of a pattern because it's the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to outline those and color these. I'm going to color all of those black. So I color all of these here. And I'm just, actually Mrs. Stewart does not know what this mystery picture is. So I'm in the same position you are. So we're going to color all of these 24s and 38s black. I find it easier to just start with one color and color all of it with the one color as much as I can find. 24 and 38 all along here. Very, very good. Okay. So I'm going to color these ones. Oh, and don't forget this one over here. Oh, I see on the other side, I forgot a 24 over here. Okay, I think I got them all. So now we're going to go orange and we're going to color 46 and 55. So I need to add a color on mine to make it kind of orangey. So I'm going to do that. Kind of looks a little red, but it's also kind of orange. So, okay, 46 and 55. Let's see. Oh, there's some right there. 46 and 55. Do you see? Oh, I wonder what this is. I have no idea, boys and girls. 46 and 55. I don't see any more. We can leave 17s and 96 white, but then it says to do purple on 67 and 83. So let's look around. Here's a 67. And here's one. Here's an 83. Do you guys know what this is? It seems so weird. I don't know what it is. Something to do with Christmas or winter or something. I'm going to color it purple like right there so I know. 83. Okay. It says yellow for 42 and 74. Oh, wow. There's a lot of those. So we're going to color all of this yellow. All of it yellow. Oh my goodness, a lot of yellow. Whatever this is super happy. 42. Oh, I found a 67. I missed. Right there. So all of this is yellow. Oh, there's another one. I missed. Oops. Okay. Yellow. 42 and 74. All of this around here. Okay. Boys and girls, what do you think it is? Oh, I missed another 67. Good heavens. What do you think this is? Wait, what was 46? Orange. I missed an orange. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. I think I know what it is. Do you guys know what it is? What is it? It's a penguin. Look, there's his little arms, and he's so cute. Very good. Nice job, boys and girls. So if we go to the back, we've been practicing a lot of addition. So now we're going to practice subtraction. So it's been a while since we've done any subtraction. So remember, to go through and find the neighbors on the number line. So like these two are neighbors. When you have a neighbor, all of those answers are going to be 1. Okay, those are really easy to go find all of the neighbors first and then go back and do the other problems. So we know that if we see any of those neighbors, the answer is going to be 1. So keep going. If you need to use your number line, that's fine. If you want to use dots, that's fine. And find the answers to these equations on your Rocket Math. So excellent work.